Hello and welcome back to a new episode from Spice and Easy Kitchen. Wishing you all well and hope you are doing great. Today's recipe is oven-baked eggplant. So delicious. Perfectly crispy and incredibly tasty. Follow the steps carefully from start to finish. Now we're ready to start. Here we go. Let's cut them into circles. Each slice should be about half a centimeter thick. Like this, see. I'll cut all the eggplants, then come back. After cutting, we'll add some salt. Just enough. Spread the salt evenly on all slices. Place a bowl underneath to catch the excess water. This will remove the extra moisture. We don't want soggy eggplant. We want it crispy and perfect. Just like that. Let it sit for half an hour, then we'll continue. After 30 minutes, the eggplant has released its water. Now we'll rinse them well. This will help them dry properly. After washing, squeeze gently to remove the moisture. This ensures they are not soggy. Remove any leftover water or salt. Drain them well in a colander. Just a little squeeze. I've done this with all the slices. Now they're ready to be seasoned. Perfect. No excess water left. Let's continue. See how dry the eggplant is now. No water left at all. Now I have about 5 tablespoons of seasoning ready. Add some olive oil and whatever herbs you have on hand. I also have a small teaspoon of red pepper. Add garlic powder if you like. Salt to taste. Always adjust to your dish. I'm using half a teaspoon of black pepper. Mix all these ingredients together. If you prefer, skip the garlic or use fresh garlic. Mix everything well. Stir until fully combined. Your seasoning is ready. Now we'll brush the eggplant slices with it. Make sure each slice is coated evenly. Brush carefully with the seasoning. Cover every slice. All done. All done. Everything is ready. Time to bake. Line the tray with parchment paper. Place the eggplant slices evenly. Make sure they are not overlapping. Preheat the oven to 200–390 and bake for 20 minutes. After 15 minutes, flip the slices. Bake until golden and crispy. Flip carefully to cook evenly on both sides. Bake for another 10 minutes. Check that all sides are cooked. Evenly crispy. Bake for another 10 minutes if needed. Total baking time, around 20 minutes. Now the eggplant is perfectly baked. Here's the final look, crispy and golden. No soggy spots, just perfect. Hear that crunch? Amazing texture. It tastes amazing. Everyone will love it. Try this method and enjoy the results. I hope today's recipe pleases you. Now we'll garnish with some parsley. Add a little touch for freshness. Optionally, add pomegranate seeds if desired. I hope you enjoy this eggplant recipe. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to show some love. Hit like and subscribe. Click the bell icon to get all our new recipes. Thank you for watching Spice and Easy Kitchen. See you next time.